Good day, everyone. My name is Jefferson Siababa. So today I am going to demonstrate how to create a salary information. So let's start. First, open Visual Basic. Create from Visual Basic. Next is new project. New project. Next, after that, we're gonna click the Visual Basic, Windows information, and click OK, so that we can start. Oh my neck. So let's start. First, this is the we're gonna put the text box here. So first, click view to put toolbox. And after that, let's put text box. The text box, drag here. So we need 13 text box because there are 13 text box in solar information. So be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let's arrange this first. Okay. There are 7 in left sides and right sides are 6. Let's arrange this properly so that it will hand eye. There are no misconfigurations. Charade. It must be aligned. Okay. Okay. And after that, drag here, arrange it right here. Okay. And after that, you can click view again and toolbox. And after that, you're gonna put some label on the text box. Label. Label. So drag here again. So there are 13 text box. So we need also 13 labels. So okay, let's copy paste label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So arrange this in any order. Joke, it must be in order. Run. Wrong send. 6, 11, here 1. It must be aligned so that we can understand easily and align easily. This is 5, so 4, 3, 2, 1, and lastly is 13. Align this. And after that, we're gonna rename the label 1. So let's start with renaming label 1. So okay. So first is erase salary ID. Salary ID. Enter. And next is label 2. Change natin ng employee. Caps lock. Ay! Wrong spelling is wrong. Employee ID. Lock. And next is label 3. Star. Nalalaki mo yung bosses. The next sad yung pangalan natin, employee name na. Gina natin yung employee name, caps lock again. Employee name. And next, so ganun lang, same process lang din. So change natin yung mga pangalan. Next, level 4. So, level 4, okay. So, yeah, let's get hooked. charet da, joke-joke na to, kay di ta mag stress-stress atong kaugalingon, kay dili bialalim chud mag pressure kay eskwela. So, kailangan mas malasad ta. So, next is payment method. So, caps lock payment. Payment, payment, payment method. What ba yun? Method? Payment mode. What can? Okay, next. Payment mode, level 5. So, parang label 5. So, the next is account. Dapat talaga yung mag-caps lock yung magsimula na letter para maalam natin. And next, number. Okay, level enter. So, level 6 na tayo, guys. So, ang level 6, ito naman ang bank. Bangko. Sa Bisaya. Bank. And next is verse 7. Maya na yan natin i-arrange. Ang importante, maglagyan muna natin yung mga pangalan nitong mga level na to para hindi tayo magkalibog. So, next is, 7 basic salary. So, basic salary. Nahalan talaga dito. So, level 8. We change level 8. So, change to bonus. Ganun ba yung spell sa bonus? Level 9. So, level 9 is other salary. Okay, next. Level 10. Change level ng 10. Level 1. Okay. Wait. Okay. Level 10 is new level. Educational allowed. Educational. Okay, next. So, sa level 11, change naman natin ng house rent. House rent. Level 12. Sa level 12, lagyan natin ng, for example, medical. Wrong spelling. Not bad. Wrong caps lock. Huwag kayo magseryoso dyan mga manonooders. Mag-smile tayo minsan. Bawal yan pressure, ma-depress ka dyan. Walang tutulong sa iyo. So, total salary. Last. So, nakaps after that, tapos ang mga gawain na to, let's click view in other text box. Like toolbox. Yung lagyan naman natin ng green button. I'm gonna put 5 buttons. Limang buttons. But, drag here. So, let's copy paste para paspas ka siya. Copy paste. 1, 2, 3. Where's copy? 1. What is that? Wrong tayo. Mouse ba? Muli po iyan. Copy, control V, for 3, 4. There are 5 buttons. Let's put 5 buttons so we can put the salary information here. First is update. We put update. It must be caps lock. Updated kasi updated siya. Charo. Up, up, up. Ito guys, cannot spelling. Up. Okay. Mamaya na yan natin i-arrange. Huwag muna yung pakialaman yan. So, mag-rename muna tayo. And after that, insert. insert. So, nakamali ako. So, ang insert pala, dun siya sa una. And next is search. Search. Okay. Ay! Nakawad na tayo na mali. Next. Update. Update. Dito na yung update sa gitna. And next. Tapos ang update, delete. Delete. And lastly is, what is this? Here. Hmm? Clear. Virtual. Okay. Okay, arrange na natin. Mamaya na tayo maglagay sa mga font. Itatingin tayo dyan. So, full box na tayo again. And green na to. Green. Data green view. Okay, drag natin dito. Dito makikita ang mga um, data information. Dito natin makikita to gather the all data na i-insert natin. Makita natin yung insert, update, layer, delete. Dito natin makikita. So, first, okay, mag-add tayo ng add column. So, ang column 1 is insert. Wrong. Insert natin yung salary ID. Ganon. So, need ba natin i-caps lock? Siyempre, need natin i-caps lock. Salary ID. Tapos, add na naman tayo ng column 2 is employee ID. Employee ID. Tapos na naman, mali. Okay. So, sa column 4, iibahin natin. Gonna change column 3. So, magsisimula tayo ulit kasi nakamali ako. Bawal makamali dito. Green. Data green. Data. Data. Date, green. But, okay. Ulitin natin. Dito natin simulan ang ating mga lagyan na ng mga data information. Salary data information. Column 1, ulitin natin, salary ID. Salary ID. Add. Column 2, employee ID. Column 3, employee name. Tama ba yung ating spelling? Pag-check na na. Makamali tayo. So, column 4 is payment method. Payment. Tapos dyan, column 5 kay account number. Account number, column 6 is bank. Column 7, salary, basic salary. Basic salary. Next is bonus. Wait muna, nakamali ako. Hans kasi ako dito. Bonus. Bonus na tanan, chod. Ano, malipay dyan yung mga tao nga na bonus kay sabi na Pasko. Ay, siguro hindi malipay sa bonus. Oy. So, tapos, column 8 is other salary. Other salary. Other salary. Other educational framework. No. Next is house rent. House Yeah. Medical, syempre, kinakailangan yun. Lastly, is total salary. Total salary. After that, house, ito na yung ito na natin makikita yung mga explain ko mamaya. So, copy, page, i-change natin yung ano. Dito makalagay yung salary information. Diyan natin yung salary information. Um, put, i-judge mo naman natin. Put an ID when, sorry, searching. Okay? Computers not hard. So, ito na. What? Eight. When search. Property value is not valid also. So, we need to do it. View toolbox. Data. Wrong tayo dyan. Dapat lagay natin ang text box. Text box. What? Okay, label. Hindi na pala natin ang kailangan ng text box. Okay, label pala yung kailangan natin. So, wait. Okay. Oh, and okay, wait. Kaya pala nagkamali tayo. So, kaya natin lang put an ID when searching. Searching. Lagyan natin dito sa both ng salary ID. Paste. So, here naman, page natin. Page natin ng salary information. Salary, dapat caps lock. Salary information. Okay, goods. Arrange na natin. And katapos dyan, let's change the control text. First, mag-change tayo ng color. But first, let's press the fonts of the table. Okay, Nirmala, bold. So, bold natin. At size naman ng font natin is 14. Click OK. Ganito lang yung so, kayong magseryoso palagi. Kasi minsan, buhay ay weather lang. Next is Nirmala, na salita. So, okay, click okay. Na-bold na siya. So, same process lang natin. Gagawin lang natin yung mga lahat ng kakayahan natin. Okay, arrange lang natin para hindi siya magka sikit-sikit. Yes. Hindi natin gaano dikit. kahit ano kalaki. Okay. And same process. So, ato na natin i-select all na natin para mabilisan. Kasi same process lang natin gagawin. Nirmala, hindi na natin nirmala kasi sa ano yun, sa bolts. So, pili tayo ng Times Roman at 12 ating size sa font. Okay? That is it. Same lang gagawin natin dito sa right side. Change the size 12, bold, Times Roman, Times Roman, Times Roman. Where is it? Dora, can you find Times Roman? Ito lang. Okay, dito. And katapos dyan, kita na natin yung resulta na ganyan yung mga fonts. So let's change the color control. So line, this is not the line. So line, this is that I want. So the color information is color yellow. So let's change. I want color yellow because it's bright like sun. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Where should I call you? Yellow. Okay, that is it. That's it. And we're not done yet. So let's continue and control text. Same, same again. So the insert is let's try to change color. What do you want color? Green. Okay, let's try. Next, the search color. Let's see. Is this color? This. Para maiba. Wait. Wait first. Okay. Let's continue. And let's change this color to the update. And the delete is from do you want color? You want this. Okay, red. Want red, so like blood. Sino kaya pumatay ni Caroline? Okay. Okay, so that's all. This is my design. And let's so this is my design. So this is the code. So let's try to run it. So let's put the data information. One, two, anything. Possible. So let's insert it. So it is successfully inserted. So let's try another add another data. So let's try to sorry. Okay, try to insert. It is successfully inserted. So there are two data. So after that, we're gonna try to search it. So namugana ba siya? So try to put the number one. So it is successfully shown. So it is functional. So let's try number two. The data to search. Surely successful. So let's try to update it. So it is successfully updated. So there are two that we haven't tried yet. So let's try to input the number one, search, and try to clear. So it is clear natin siya. So, isa na lang ang hindi natin naranasan. Try natin yung number 2 para ma-delete. Try natin yung delete. Search and delete. So, na-successfully deleted siya. And this is the data nga natira. So, goods na. So, salamat sa inyong pagtanaw.